To add the payment method to Apple Music on Android, follow these steps. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your Android device. Ensure you're logged in with your Apple ID. If not, log in with your credentials. Access account settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the app to open the menu. Scroll down and select account. Manage subscriptions. In the account section, tap on subscriptions. This will take you to the page where you can manage your subscriptions, including Apple Music. Change payment method. Select payment information or manage payment options. This will redirect you to the Google Play Store payment settings, as Apple Music subscriptions are managed through Google Play on Android. Add payment method. In the Google Play Store, tap on Add payment method. You can choose from options like credit or debit cards, PayPal, Google Play Balance, or other local payment methods. Save changes. After entering the payment details, save the changes. Your payment method will now be linked to your Apple Music subscription, and you will be billed accordingly.